All right, so I got a package in, and I reached out to this company to see if they wanted to work with me, and what they offered me was a discount to purchase their product. So I went with that. So let's open it up and see what we got. What? Swamp bucket. Let's pull it back out and let's pull it out and get a better look at it. It's a 5-gallon bucket, food grade. There are videos online on how to make one, but I chose to work with a company to see how to do it and to see what they got. They have a power cord that goes into there. They have your boil instructions. They have caution and a minimum fill line. Okay, don't put your babies in there. Now the top has holes here for where you drain out, it lets steam out and it drains out the water. And then you have a vent hole over here, which also allows steam out, but then when you're dumping your liquid out, it allows air in so liquid can come out. Let's take a look at the inside. This unscrews. Plastic, so I would imagine that when this is boiling, you would probably want to wear gloves. We'll find out. Inside is a little heater element. I don't know what wattage or anything like that, but just looks like a water heater element inside of a 5-gallon bucket. And the minimum fill line is right about there. Okay, so let's see. That is sitting right about 2 inches off the bottom. That probe is about 2 inches off the bottom. Right about 2 inches off the bottom. Okay. Our minimum, the minimum fill line. There's your instructions on how to do a boil. Your minimum fill line is roughly 5.5 inches off the bottom. So that gives about, so if you come up 5.5 inches, that's 6. So that gives you about 2 to 3 inches, 2.5 inches of water above the probe. The cord comes with a little strap to tie it on, so it's a little Velcro strap. So let me get that undone. Just a little Velcro strap. Then it uncoils. We're looking at a pretty long cord. Give me a minute and I'll measure it. So I'm looking at about 92 inches to this bend, to this right here. So 92 inches to there. So let me go put some water in it up to the minimum fill line, and we'll see how long it takes to boil. That's 1 gallon. And you can see 1 gallon fills to the top of that probe. So let's put the 2nd gallon in. 2 gallons. Are we at the minimum fill line? Let's see. There's the minimum fill line. Let's put a flashlight in. 2 gallons. Right to the minimum fill line. You see that? Right there. Minimum fill line is 2 gallons of water. Let's go plug it in. Let's see what it says. Fill water to at least the minimum fill line before plugging in the boil bucket. Do not use oil. This bucket is not grounded through the factory electrical cord. Product will become hot during the use. Extreme caution to prevent burns. Okay. Very important right there. Only use wooden or plastic utensils in the bucket. Do not use extension cords. Okay. Okay. All right, so now we're on the front porch. Let's lift this up. Plug it in and start a timer. All right. We have plenty of cord. And there we go. Let's see what happens. Seconds. You can see that we're starting to get something happening right there. So let's we'll come back and give her a check. 11.5 minutes. We're not boiling yet, but we're close. We're close. Alright, so 14 minutes and 40 seconds. We're getting some action. Let's see where we're at. 156. That's alright. 156 in 14 minutes. Let's get an idea here of what the outside's reading. 192 to 104. 117. Okay. Okay. Sitting at 27 minutes and 45 seconds. I did start noticing a little bit here where you start seeing the steam. So let's pull it open here. That is pretty hot, so you're gonna want gloves. Whew. You see the steam? Probably not. We got some boiling action going. All right, let's see what we got going on in here. I know my water's dirty, but it's okay. We're at 200 degrees, 199. That's okay. I don't mind all that. I'm gonna dump it out before I cook it in anyway and wash it. This is just a test run. Let's see. Let's see what the side reads right here. 157, 58. Down here, 158. All right. 38 minutes, 50 seconds. Let's see. I started seeing more steam coming out, so we were close. Oh, we got a boil. All right, all right. So yeah, we got a good boil at 38 minutes, almost 39 minutes. We'll call that good. So, all right. We'll unplug it and let it cool down. I'll dump it out and wash it, and then we'll be able to use it.
Thanks for watching. There's tools in cooking. Did you have fun? Did it taste good? Rock on. You guys are awesome. We'll see you guys next week. Bye, guys.